Hello and welcome to this week's What's Hot. Now, if you feel as though your stock is undervalued, have a bit of a whinge. Hint that you are going to list your shares elsewhere, and then boom, your cunning strategy pays off and your shares hit an all-time high. That's what happened to Shell, with the stock going above £28 a share for the very first time, bringing the market cap to 182 billion pounds. Well, shares hit those highs after Chief Executive Wael Sawan made some concerning comments to a reporter from Bloomberg, all to do with Shell's listing in London and the broader UK capital markets. He talked about considering all options. Now, his comments to Bloomberg were taken as a warning sign that the FTSE 100's largest company could be seeking a listing elsewhere. And according to proactive writer Will Farrington, if it does that, the potential move could irreversibly damage the Square Miles global reputation. Well, you can't beat a good whinge to get the share price up. Now, Sawan is of Lebanese Canadian origin, so would Shell sit well in Ontario? Now, at an event that I hosted in London last week, one of the presenters at Team Internet, the tech company formerly known as Central Nick, suggested that now was a very good time to buy the shares. I asked if there was any urgency to buy the stock before the company's AGM on Thursday, April the 18th, and he smiled enigmatically. Now, the company launched a progressive dividend policy way back in 2022, which has been matched with an equally robust share buyback program, and apparently it's a great place to work at too. So whilst Shell is spitting its dummy out over its London listing, there are some that are embracing the city, and we're talking about an IPO that debuted this week. Plenty of investors wanting to invest their shares in Helix Exploration ahead of its entry onto the junior AIM market. Now, the company initially wanted to raise £7.5 million, but the collective of retail investors, high net worth individuals, and family offices made sure that the offering was oversubscribed, and they wanted to commit £22 million to the Helium Explorer, which is going to be focusing on Montana in the USA along the Montana Helium Fairway. Now, Helix Exploration's chairman is David Minchin, who was once chief executive of one of AIM's most popular stocks. We're talking about HE1, Helium-1, which is operating in Tanzania and whose bulletin board is always incredibly frantic. Okay, well, very good to hear that London is still calling some companies and plenty of investors who want to participate. Take care. Hope you're well. See you same time next week.